Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Esther. So today I want to make sandwich for dinner. It's on the 31st of December 2023 and I want to make this sandwich for him. I want something fun yet tasty yet filling. I'm not an all kind of food person. Like what I mean is like dish, like food, you understand? Sometimes you have to like have a burger, sometime fries, fun things, so that it doesn't get like old, you understand? So that's where we are at today. We are making a sandwich with, let me show you, with this minced meat, and let me show you the other thing, the other major ingredient. Wow, bread roll. So let's get right into it. So here is our pan, 1 tablespoon of oil, a little bit of butter. I think that's enough. Then we're gonna add our onion. Our onions have been cooking for a while now, so I'm gonna remove them from the fire. So then we're gonna go in with half a kg of minced meat. Then we are gonna add black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some salt. We put back in our onions. I'm gonna add our cheese. So this is how it looks like. So we're gonna remove it from the fire. It is ready with the cheese. On our other pan, hot, we're gonna take our bread rolls and we're gonna just cut it. Okay. Like so, right? And then we're gonna put some butter on it. That side and this other side. Yeah, and then we're gonna toast it. And if you have a serrated knife, it's good. So apply your butter again. Doesn't have to be perfect. You have to put it facing down so that it can get toasted. So as our bread rolls are toasting, I'm gonna make the sauce. So we're gonna put some mustard, 1 tablespoon. We're gonna put some ketchup. I feel like we should put like 2 tablespoons. And we're gonna put some little bit of natural yogurt. Like that. And then we're gonna mix it. Be nice. I think I'll add some ketchup. But it tastes amazing. So there is our sauce. So our bread rolls are done. If you've noticed the grill marks, I did change them from the pan to the grill because, well, it was too slow. So then we're gonna add our minced beef, the one that has the cheese in it. Gonna put it in there. And then we're gonna top it off with this. So there is our roll. Here is our bread roll. We're gonna put some of the sauce like so on either side, like so. Then we're gonna put our beef as much as you can fit in there. Look at that. Look at that goodness. And because my son is spoiled, he's gonna have some more meat on the side. So here is his dinner, and here is mine. I'm actually gonna put this on the side to see what it tastes like. So here's our bread roll packed with minced meat, which has cheese and our sauce. So I'm gonna take this one. Doesn't look like it will be messy, but the messier the better. So this is how it looks like. We are having it with, let me show you, iced cola, telling you. So let me cut to see what we are dealing with. Look at it. It's amazing. It's actually very good. So here is our dinner. Raymond's meat is spilling over. Can you see that? It's gonna be a messy affair. What do you have to say about that?
The messier the better.
You had it.